Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Windows Defender on. So head to the Start button, click on it. Now click on the settings, click on Update and Security. Hover your mouse to the left-hand side and click on Windows Security. Now go to where you have protection areas and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Okay, for someone who is new to computer or for some people who do not know what Windows Defender means, this means that your Windows operating system comes with virus and threat protection that can protect your computer from malware or any kind of virus. So this is the process you can take or the steps to take to ensure that your system is protected at all times. So when you locate virus and threat protection, click on it. Okay, so as you can see, currently there are no threats. I'm going to scroll down, and just at this point, virus and threat protection settings, no action needed. Actually, I'm just going to take you through that. I'll click on that manage settings. So as you can see currently, so you can see it's turned on. So if you get to this point and then you see that it's turned off, all you just need to do is to slide the button to the on section, and the same thing happens if you want to turn your Windows Defender off. You come here and you slide the button to the left hand side, showing that it's off. So somebody might be wondering, why would you want to turn your Windows Defender off? So the reason for that, why some people may want to do that, is, for instance, you trying to run a software, so Windows Defender may be preventing the software to run. So you can temporarily come over there and turn it off, install the software. That's if you're sure that the software is safe. Install your software, then get back and turn it on.